Welcome back to CryptoJet, my favorite holders, my favorite shillers, my favorite blockchain degenerates. Today we're going to be talking about Avalanche, but before we get into it, I'm going to show you the most important thing you need to know about the market. So, do you think we're in a bear market because you're looking at Bitcoin's chart right here and you can see that it's moving downwards? Well, it is moving downwards and it is a bear market, but it is a bear market on the lower time frame or on the daily time frame. And which time frame is the most significant, you may ask? Well, it's the highest one. So the higher you go, the more significant it is because the more info every single candle actually takes into account. So in this case, we have candles that take into account a full day of information, right? But what happens if you move on to the weekly time frame, right? Well, you can see a very interesting thing. The same as you can see that this is a downtrend, right here you can see that we overall are in an uptrend. So whoever's investing in the cryptocurrency market rather than trying to day trade it, they won't care, right? Even if it falls down, let me just draw, even if it falls down into the 20K mark, they don't care. Nobody cares. It's just going to fall down. It's going to go up again. We are always in a bull market until, potentially until we break below this level. So this 9K level, 10K level should be the cutoff for me personally. Now, that's just what I wanted to do to tell you, to lure you into the video. And now I'm going to tell you a little bit more about Avalanche. So it is one of the fastest blockchain networks out there. Blazingly fast, low cost, and eco-friendly. What can you do with Avalanche? Well, you can build fast, low cost, and Solidity compatible decentralized apps that are very, very efficient. In fact, a lot more efficient than Ethereum is. You can launch customized blockchains, public and private, and you can scale to millions of validators with minimal hardware. So it is one of the fastest blockchains in the world built for decentralized application building. The Economist actually wrote about these guys. You can check out the article. I'm going to open it in a new tab. But before we continue on, if you do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and slap that notification bell button that you can see right here on the screen, because finally I am trying to focus more on this content and give you guys the most amazing reviews you've ever seen on the market. So The Economist actually wrote about these guys: greener, faster, and more decentralized alternative to Bitcoin. Yes, it is, and that is Avalanche, along with a lot of other ones. So right here you can see a comparison to other blockchains when it comes to pretty much everything. Avalanche just absolutely destroys them, and that's pretty much it. I'm not going to be going too far into the project itself, but some of the implications of Avalanche itself are, first of all, in the DeFi sector or decentralized finance. Second of all, institutions, enterprises, and governments can use it. So, for example, in a Congress or asset issuance trading, CBDCs or central bank digital currencies, debt financing, digital identity document tracking, digital collectibles as well. So art, certifications, licenses, NFTs, pretty much collectibles and credentials. So you can look at a full list of solutions by pressing this button right here, but that's pretty much it. I wanted to cover some Bitcoin news. The only important thing I found was Binance's Seifu fund, whose name actually stands for Secure Asset Fund for Users, and it has reached the amount of $1 billion to reimburse its users in case of a hack or event affecting these funds. So $1 billion that is available to be given back to users. And that's pretty cool, right? It guarantees at least some safety in the unsafe crypto world. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little intuitive review of, first of all, the market. Oh wait, I actually forgot to do a little Avalanche review, right? So if we go into Avalanche's chart, we can see another very, very solid uptrend on the weekly time frame. So very simple, like we're just moving upwards. We could make another leg towards more downside. I'm going to show you on the daily right now. So if we do move into the $56 dollar mark, or even if we do move into the $38 mark, they are both significant zones of support and could make a rebound towards more upside. Obviously, if we do plot this out a little bit nicer, we can see that we are still on the third touch of a downtrend. So until we actually break out from that towards the upside, potentially, we're not moving anywhere. And I would be looking for a break of these two zones of support, right? So if we move up, we're probably moving up. If we move down, we're probably moving down into the next zone of support. So target towards the upside would be somewhere around here, or perhaps even the previous all-time high. I like to leave a little bit of leverage and room. And target towards the downside would be this area right here, where the next zone of significant support is at the $35 level. So thanks for watching another video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you love to see my beautiful face. Comment down below if I'm ugly, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.